Have you ever dreamed of visiting Tuscany? A place that paints a picturesque landscape of rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval architecture. Imagine a destination steeped in history, bursting with culture and renowned for its sublime cuisine. Picture the allure of Tuscany, where natural beauty is etched in every corner, from sun-kissed olive groves to the charming cobblestone streets. It's a place that beckons travelers from far and wide, pulling them into its dreamlike embrace. Today, dive into the Tuscan dream as we explore some must-visit places in this Italian paradise. Begin your Tuscan journey in Florence, the region's capital and the birthplace of the Renaissance. This captivating city is a treasure trove of artistic masterpieces and architectural wonders. The iconic Uffizi Gallery, home to countless works of Renaissance art, is a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. Then there's the mesmerizing Duomo. Its majestic dome dominates the city's skyline, inviting awe and admiration from every corner. Not far away, the historic Ponte Vecchio, the city's oldest bridge, stands as a symbol of Florence's enduring charm. But Florence isn't just about art and architecture, it's a city that's alive and vibrant. The streets are bustling with cafes, boutiques and markets, offering an array of world-class dining and shopping options. Whether you're indulging in a scoop of gelato, browsing through leather goods, or simply soaking up the city's atmosphere, the spirit of Florence is palpable. A visit to Florence is like stepping back into the Renaissance era with its timeless charm and artistic grandeur. Next, step into the medieval world of Siena, a city that wears its history on its sleeve. This Tuscan gem is a treasure trove of medieval architecture, with a cityscape seemingly frozen in time. At its heart lies the stunning Piazza del Campo, an architectural marvel that radiates old-world charm. Rising above the piazza, you'll find the Torre del Mangia, a towering testament to Siena's rich history. And let's not forget the majestic Siena Cathedral, a masterpiece of Italian Gothic architecture that leaves visitors in awe. But it's not just the buildings that capture the spirit of Siena. Every summer, the city's main square roars with excitement during the Palio di Siena, a thrilling horse race that dates back to the 16th century. This age-old tradition is a spectacle of color and passion, a living embodiment of Siena's vibrant culture. Siena's enchanting streets and rich traditions make it a captivating stop in your Tuscan exploration. Now, venture into the heart of Tuscany, Chianti, the region's wine country. As the birthplace of some of the world's most celebrated wines, Chianti is a haven for the wine lover and the casual sipper alike. Its undulating hills are adorned with picturesque vineyards, a testament to the region's rich winemaking tradition. Wine tasting tours here are not just about savoring the exquisite flavors. It's a journey into the soul of Chianti, a celebration of centuries-old craft. But Chianti isn't just about wine. It's a patchwork of charming small towns, each with its own unique allure. The warmth of the people is as inviting as the wine, their passion for their land echoing in every interaction. They're the heart of Chianti, the custodians of its winemaking legacy. In Chianti, the love for wine and the joy of living merge into a delightful Tuscan experience. So raise a glass to Chianti, where every sip is a story and every story is worth savoring. Lastly, find tranquility in the serene landscapes of Val d'Orcia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is a place where time seems to stand still, where the beauty of nature reigns supreme. Picture rolling hills that stretch as far as the eye can see, their green and gold hues painting a picture of pure serenity. Imagine driving down roads lined with tall, slender cypress trees, their dark green contrasting with the bright Tuscan sky. Here, rustic farmhouses dot the landscape, their stone walls and terracotta roofs adding a touch of rustic charm to the scene. These are the homes of the region's hard-working farmers who produce some of Italy's finest pecorino cheese. Rich, creamy, and with a distinctive flavor, this cheese is a testament to the region's dedication to quality and tradition. But Val d'Orcia is not just about the scenery and the cheese, it's also a haven for those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. The region is renowned for its thermal baths, where you can soak in warm, mineral-rich waters while taking in the stunning views. And let's not forget the small towns that dot this region, like Pienza and Montalcino. These charming hamlets with their narrow, cobbled streets and quaint piazzas are the epitome of Italian beauty and charm. In Val d'Orcia, you'll find the essence of Tuscany, peaceful, beautiful, and simply unforgettable. Tuscany is more than just a destination. It's a dream painted in warm hues of history, culture, and natural beauty. From the charismatic charm of Florence to the medieval magic of Siena, the wine paradise of Chianti to the serene Valdorcia, every corner of Tuscany tells a unique story. This is a place where dreams meet reality, where every journey becomes a beautiful memory. So are you ready to turn your Tuscan dream into a reality? The beauty of Tuscany awaits your discovery.